Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class we have discussed till question number 3 of exercise 7a. Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 4. Question number 4 is solve the following equations. Second part is 6y minus 9 is equals to 2y plus 15. Here we will find the value of variable which is y here. So keep the variable to the left hand side and move the numbers to the right hand side. Right? 6y was already on the left hand side. 2y was of plus sign. After moving to this side, this will be of minus sign. Minus 2y is equals to, on right hand side there was 15. Here 9 was of minus sign. After moving to the another side, this will be of plus sign. So it will be plus 9. So 6y minus 2y, variables are same. It means they are like terms. So we will subtract them. 6 minus 2, 4. Variable is y is equals to 15 plus 9, 24. 4y means 4 multiply y. Right? We want to find the value of y now. So leave it alone. Move this 4 to the another side. 4 was in multiplication. After moving to the side, this will be in division. 24 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. So the value of y is 6. This is your answer. Next, fourth part is 2a minus 5 is equals to 8a plus 1. You want to find the value of variable. Right? Variable is a here. So you will keep the variables, the terms which have variables to the left side. 2a is already on the left hand side. 8a was of plus sign. After moving to the left hand side, this will be of minus sign. So minus 8a is equals to, on right hand side we already have 1. Now we will move this 5 to this side. Right? 5 was of minus sign. After moving to this side, after transposition, this will become of plus sign. Now 2a and 8a both are like terms, but their sign are different. And when sign are different, we subtract them. So subtract 8 minus 2, 6. Variable is a and sign will be of greater numeral. 8 is greater 1. So sign will be of 8, which is minus, equals to 5 plus 1, 6. Minus 6a means minus 6 multiply a. You want to find the value of a. So move this to the another side. 6 is already here. After moving to this side, minus 6 was in multiplication. इस side पर आने पर क्या बन जाएगा? Minus 6 will be in division. So when you will divide 6 by minus 6, 6 upon minus 6 can also be written as minus 6 upon 6. Right? Now 6 ones are 6. So this is equals to minus 1. So value of a is minus 1. This is the solution of this equation. Next part, seventh part, they have given 1.9x plus 3.6 is equals to 2.5x plus 3. You want to find the value of variable. This is the variable x. So keep the terms having variable to the left hand side. Move it to the left hand side. And the numbers to the right hand side. Move it to the right hand side. Now it becomes 1.9x. After transpositioning, this 2.5x will become negative. So this will be minus 2.5x. Right? Equals to, on right hand side we already have 3. And after moving this 3.6 to the right hand side, this will become of minus sign. Because previously this was of plus sign. Sign change हो जाते हैं ना. Now these are like terms because both the terms have variable x. But the sign are different. So we will subtract them. Subtract करते हैं. 2.5 में से subtract कर देते हैं 1.9. Take borrow. 15 minus 9 is 6.0. You can write 0.6 or you can just write 0.6. So I am writing here 0.6. Variable is x. And sign will be negative because the greater numeral is 2.5 and its sign is negative. Now these two terms are of different sign, right? So we will subtract them. So from greater term, which is 3.6 में से subtract करो 3 को. 3 can also be written as 3.0, right? Subtract 6.0, right? So you are getting 0.6. This minus 0.6x is also equals to minus 0.6 multiply x, and you want to find the value of x, so leave it alone. Now this minus 0.6 was in multiplication with x. After moving to this another side, this will be in division. Division में हो जाएगा minus 0.6. Now you are dividing 0.6 by minus 0.6. So you can write it into the denominator because इसका मतलब भी यही होता है कि we are dividing it. This is also equals to minus 0.6 divided by 0.6. We are dividing similar values. Similar value को divide कर रहे हैं. 0.6 से 0.6. So 0.6 1 is 0.6. So what you are getting? 1 of minus sign. So x is equals to minus 1. This is the solution. Next question number 5 is solve the following equations. Second part is 7 plus 5x minus 3x is equals to 21. As we have done in previous question, we will keep the terms having variable on the left hand side and we will move the numerical terms on the right hand side. So here we will keep 5x minus 3x, and on right hand side we already have 21. 7 after moving to this side will become of minus sign. Now solve them because these are like terms, right, and sign are different, so we will subtract them. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 27 minus 7 is 14. 2x means 2 multiply x, right? So to find the value of x, you will move this 2 to the another side. On left hand side, this 2 was of multiplication. After moving to the another side, this will be in division. जैसे ही side change होगी ये division में convert हो जाएगा. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. So value of x is 7. This is your answer. Next part, fourth, 6. In bracket we have 5x minus 2 plus 12 is equals to 30. Now students, in this part you will apply the distributive property. आपको पता है distributive property में क्या होता है? If outside the bracket we have any number, then that number will be multiplied by each term in the bracket. Bracket के अंदर जितने भी number है, जितने भी terms हैं उनसे multiply हो जाएगा, right? So this will become 6 multiply 5x minus 6 will be also multiplied by 2. 6 multiply 2 and then plus 12 is equals to 30. 6 5s are 30x minus 6 2s are 12 plus 12 is equals to 30. Now students, in previous questions also I have explained, if same numbers are there with different sign, अगर same number ही है like 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3, if we have same numbers with different sign, right, then we will subtract them. और subtract करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 0, because 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, so 12 minus 12 0, so we can cancel out them. अगर same number different sign के साथ हैं, so आप इनको वहीं पर cancel out कर दीजिए. So what is remaining here? 30x is equals to 30. 30x means 30 multiply x. It means this is in multiplication, so leave the x alone. After moving to this side, this was in multiplication, now this will be in division. कहाँ पर चला जाएगा? डिवीजन में चला जाएगा. So we are dividing 30 by 30. 30 को अगर 30 से ही divide करेंगे, we will get 30 1s are 30. So what you are getting? 1. So this is the value of x. Next is seventh part. They have given equation 4 minus 4 outside the bracket x minus 5 is equals to 2 outside the bracket. In bracket we have 2 minus x minus 6. Now again we will use distributive property. This is outside the bracket now, so this will be multiplied by this term and this term. On right hand side also this will be multiplied by this 2 and this x. Now write it. Firstly write this 4 minus multiply this 4 with this number and this number. 4 multiply x, this variable, minus 4 multiply 5, right, equals to multiply this 2 multiply 2 minus 2 multiply x, right, minus 6. Now solve it. 4 minus 4 multiply x means 4x, 4 5s are 20, bracket close, equals to 2 2s are 4 minus 2 multiply x, 2x minus 6. Now open the bracket. Outside the bracket we have minus sign here, so the sign of all these terms will be changed. जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर टर्म्स हैं उनका साइन क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. 4x was of plus sign, now this will be of minus sign, and 20 was of minus sign, now this will be of plus sign, equals to, we don't have any sign outside this bracket, so this will remain same, 4 minus 2x minus 6. Now keep the variable to the left side and move the numbers to the right side. Numbers को कहाँ पर शिफ्ट कर देते हैं, right side पर. So on left hand side there was minus 4x. When this x will move to the left hand side, this will become of plus sign because पहले minus का था, right, equals to, on right hand side we already have 4 and we also have minus 6, right. Now if this 4 will come on the right hand side, पहले plus का था, 4 के आगे कोई sign नहीं था, it means this was of plus sign. After moving to this side, this will be of minus sign. Similarly, this 20 was of plus sign. After moving to this side, this will be of minus sign. Now these two terms are like terms, but their sign are different. So we will subtract them. 4x minus 2x, 2x, and sign will be of greater one, greater numeral, which is minus, equals to, on right hand side these three terms are of same sign. ये भी minus का है, ये भी minus का है, ये भी minus का है. So add them. This will become 30, right? 30 of minus sign, right? And this 4 is of plus sign. These two are of different signs, so we will subtract them. 30 minus 4, 26, and sign will be of greater numeral. Greater numeral कौन सा है, minus का, right? Now this is minus 2x means minus 2 multiply x, so leave the x alone. Minus 26. After moving to this side, this minus 2x which was in multiplication will be changed into the division. Division में आ जाएगा, right? So divide 26 of minus sign by the minus 2. Minus 2 minus cancel out. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So what you are getting? 13. This is the solution of given equation. Next part, eighth part. 10y minus 0.2, in bracket we have 7 minus y is equals to 19. Again we will use distributive property here because outside the bracket we have 0.2. 10y minus 0.2 multiply 7 minus 0.2 multiply y. Why I am enclosing it into the bracket? Because we have also minus sign here. Minus sign की वजह से sign क्या होते हैं, change हो जाते हैं. But I am not doing both the steps at one time. पहले मैं bracket में इनको solve कर रही हूँ, then मैं minus sign के through sign change करके bracket open करूँगी. Clear? Equals to 19. Now this is 10y minus 0.2 multiply 7. 7 2s are 14 and we have one decimal place, so we will put decimal before one digit, so it will become 1.4 minus 0.2 y. is equals to 19. Now open the bracket, 10y. Outside the bracket we have minus sign. So all the terms inside the bracket will change their sign when they will come out from the bracket. Right? जैसे ही ब्रैकेट से बाहर आएंगे साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. 1.4 was of plus sign. Now this will be of minus sign. This 0.2y was of minus sign. Now this will be of plus sign. Equals to 19. Now to solve this equation, we will keep the terms having variable on the left hand side, which we already have, and move this number to the right hand side. Now this is 10y plus 0.2y is equals to 19. We already have on right hand side. After moving to the right hand side, this minus 1.4 will become of positive sign. So this will be plus 1.4. 10 plus 0.2 will be 10.2y. And this 19 plus 1.4 will be, आपको पता है ना डेसिमल को कैसे ऐड करते हैं, लाइक डेसिमल बनाकर 1.4 है ना. So this will become 20.4. So this will be 20.4. Now 10.2y means 10.2 multiply y. So leave it alone because we want to find the value of this variable 20.4. After moving to the another side, this will be in division. Division में लिखें या फ्रैक्शन में लिखें एक ही बात है. 10.2 2s are 20.4. So the value of y is 2. This is the solution of this given equation. Next part, ninth part is 12 minus x upon 5 is equals to x. This is in division. After moving to the side, this will be in multiplication. So this 12 minus x is equals to x multiply 5. So this is equals to 12 minus x is equals to 5 multiply x is 5x. Now to find the value of x, we will keep the terms having variable on the left hand side and number on the right hand side. So this is minus x. After moving to the left hand side, on right hand side this was a plus sign. कोई sign नहीं था, मतलब plus sign का था. So now it will become of minus sign. जैसे ही side change की, sign change हो जाएगा. 12 will be of minus sign, minus 12. Now this minus x can also be written as minus 1x. These two terms are like terms and their sign are also same. Sign same होते हैं तो what do? We add them. So 5 plus 1 6 x and sign will be minus because both the terms, both the numbers have same sign, minus, equals to minus 12. Minus 6x means minus 6 multiply x. So leave this x alone and move this minus 6 which was of multiplication to the another side. ये multiplication में था, so after moving to the another side this will be in division. minus 6 कहाँ पर चला जाएगा, division में चला जाएगा. It means minus 12 divided by minus 6. Minus to minus cancel out, 6 2s are 12. So the value of x which we are getting is 2. This is the solution of this given equation. So students, with this question your exercise 7a is completed. In next class we will start the next exercise. Till then keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.